A zero-waste kitchen is built on simple habits that make cooking easier and reduce waste naturally. Today, we will explore how to store food well, use scraps creatively, and organize your kitchen so everything stays fresh. These steps fit any home, from small apartments to family kitchens. Start with what you already have. Habit 1. Use every jar you own. Glass jars are perfect for grains, spices, snacks, leftovers, and homemade sauces. Reusing jars reduces the need for new containers and keeps your shelves tidy. Habit 2. Assign a use first box. A simple box in the fridge helps you keep track of produce and leftovers that need attention soon. This single habit cuts waste immediately. Store food correctly. Habit 3. Keep herbs in water. Fresh herbs last longer when placed in jars of water, just like flowers. Cover loosely with a cloth to prevent drying. Habit 4. Use cloth bags for greens. Greens stay crisp when wrapped in a cloth bag or cotton towel. This prevents moisture loss and avoids plastic waste. Habit 5. Store cut vegetables in water. Carrots and celery stay fresh for days when placed in water. This works for many crunchy vegetables. Habit 6. Keep cooked food in clear containers. Clear containers help you see what you have. Food is less likely to be forgotten in the back of the fridge. Use your scraps wisely. Habit 7. Freeze vegetable scraps for broth. Save onion skins, carrot ends, celery leaves, and herb stems. Freeze them and simmer later to make homemade broth. Habit 8. Save citrus peels. Dried citrus peels can be used for teas, natural cleaners, or added to cooking for extra flavor. Habit 9. Regrow simple vegetables. Green onions, lettuce bases, and some herbs regrow easily in water. This is one of the simplest ways to extend your produce. Habit 10. Turn stale bread into crumbs. Dried bread becomes breadcrumbs or croutons. This prevents perfectly good food from being thrown away. Cook with less waste. Habit 11. Plan simple meals. A few basic meals repeated each week help keep your shopping list short and reduce the chance of unused ingredients. Habit 12. Use one-pot cooking more often. One-pot meals reduce dishes and use ingredients efficiently. They often rely on simple pantry items. Habit 13. Cook from leftovers first. Before starting a new dish, look at your leftovers. Many meals can be renewed by adding fresh vegetables or herbs. Freeze smartly. Habit 14. Freeze portions flat. Freezing soups, sauces, and cooked beans saves space and makes thawing faster. Habit 15. Label everything with dates. A simple label helps you use food on time and keeps the freezer organized. Habit 16. Freeze fruit before it spoils. Bananas, berries, mango, and other fruit can be frozen for smoothies or baking. Composting options for any home. Habit 17. Small countertop compost bin. Even the smallest kitchen can hold a tiny compost bin. This removes a large part of waste from your trash. Habit 18. Community compost drop-off. If home composting is difficult, many areas offer drop-off points for food scraps. Smart shopping for less waste. Habit 19. Buy only what you can store. Shop according to your storage space. Smaller homes benefit from smaller quantities to prevent spoilage. Habit 20. Bring one reusable bag. A single reusable bag prevents dozens of plastic bags over time. A zero-waste kitchen grows from simple habits practiced every day. Begin with one corner of your kitchen and build slowly. Over time, your food lasts longer, your waste shrinks, and your home becomes more organized and efficient.